Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you a few basic macrame knots to get you started working on some projects. Today I'll be using this 5mm cream cord from Nook Theory. It is such an amazing cord to use. The first knot we'll be learning is the Larks Head knot. Grab a piece of cord, fold it in half. You will then put it over your dowel, put your fingers through that loop and pull that cord on through. Tighten your knot up, and this is a Larks Head knot. You will do this another time. Make another Larks Head knot, fold your cord over your dowel, place your fingers through that loop and pull that cord all the way through. Tighten your knot and you will be set up to work on our square knot. And now for your right facing square knot, you will grab the furthest right cord. You're going to bring it over the center two cords and behind that furthest left cord. That furthest left cord will go behind the center two cords and through that first loop. Pull that cord all the way through and tighten it. You are halfway done. You will do the same thing to the other side. The left cord is going to go across the center two and behind the right. The right cord is going to go behind the center two and through that loop. You will then pull tight and you have just completed your first square knot. By repeating these steps over and over again, you will practice working on your square knots as well as creating a square knot sennet. Sennet is a repeating row of knots often used when you are making plant hangers or wall hangs. Next, we will work on the right facing half knot. First, attach two cords using a Larks Head knot. For this right facing half knot, you will take the furthest right cord and bring it across the center two cords and behind that furthest left cord. That left cord is then going to go behind the center two and through the loop. You will then tighten your knot. You will continue doing this on the exact same side. That right cord is going to go across the center two. That left one's going to go behind the center and through the loop. When making the half knot, you want to make sure that you're always working with that same side cord. This is what will create that spiral knot that you are looking for. And by creating this knot repeatedly, you have created a half knot sennet. Here is your half knot and your square knot tutorial. I hope this helped you. Please hit that subscribe button for more macrame tutorials.